Have you ever wondered what really happens when you sleep? Is your mind completely shut down? Or is it still alive, thinking, dreaming, wandering? Today we will explore a fascinating idea. Sleep is not merely the absence of life, but a different form of it. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a unique and thought-provoking book, The Philosophy of Sleep by Robert McNeish. This book is one of the earliest attempts to understand sleep, not just scientifically, but philosophically. Robert McNeish was a Scottish doctor and writer, but he was not just interested in medicine, but he was deeply curious about the human mind and the mysteries of consciousness. Through this book, he tried to answer a timeless question: what really happens when we sleep? Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a dream? They felt completely real, or when you ever woken up and couldn't tell whether you were dreaming or awake? These strange experiences shows us something important. Sleep is not just rest. It is a world of its own. The first key idea of this book is sleep as a unique state of existence. According to this book, sleep is not just rest. It is a special state between life and unconsciousness. Your body becomes still, but your mind does not completely stop. You are not fully awake, but not completely inactive either. The second key idea of this book is dreams are partial awareness. McNeish explains that dreams happen when parts of your mind is still active. This is why dreams can feel so real, even though your body is asleep. In simple words, we can say that dreams are the mind working while the body rests. The third key idea of this book is strange phenomena of sleep. Sleep is not always simple. Sometimes people walk while sleeping, talk in their sleep, or suffer from sleeplessness. These conditions show that sleep is not just on or off. It is a complex process involving both body and mind. The fourth key idea of this book is philosophical questions about sleep. This book goes deeper than science. It asks questions like, why do we need sleep? What happens to our thoughts during sleep? What do dreams tell us about our mind? Sleep becomes a way to understand human consciousness itself. The value of this book is very much important and significant. This book is valuable because it makes us think differently. It teaches us that sleep is not just a daily routine, but a mysterious and meaningful experience. Even though it was written long ago, its ideas are still thought-provoking and insightful today. So the next time you go to sleep, remember this: you are not just resting, you are entering another world, a world where your mind continues its journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.